Yo, welcome back to Memes Out. Today we're diving straight into the funniest, wildest, and most viral brain rot character voices on the internet. You've got 14 goofy questions and only a few seconds to guess each one. So stay sharp and don't blink. But before we jump in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our crazy quizzes and goofy brain rot challenges. Alright, let's roll.
Stage. It's Salah! Stage. It's Salah!
Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi, gol! Messi, immens Messi.
Good evening, everyone. It's Sonny here. I hope you guys don't forget me, yeah? Good evening, everyone. It's Sonny here. I hope you guys don't forget me, yeah?
So proud of the lads, you know, it's tough. I thought we played really well, especially first half, deserved to be ahead. So proud of the lads, you know, it's tough. I thought we played really well, especially first half, deserved to be ahead.
We in Bayern, we have Robert Lewandowski. We in Bayern, we have Robert Lewandowski.
Este é para vosotros. Este é para vosotros.
No llores porque se terminó, sonríe porque sucedió. No llores porque se terminó, sonríe porque sucedió.
Bom dia, meu príncipe, hora de levantar. Bom dia, meu príncipe, hora de levantar, porque eu preciso do...
Neymar Júnior é o nome dele. Neymar Júnior é o nome dele.
Mon français, il n'est pas le meilleur. C'est pour ça que je dis que je m'en bats les couilles. Mon français, il n'est pas le meilleur. C'est pour ça que je dis que je m'en bats les couilles.
There's only one Zlatan. There's only one Zlatan.
Gol! Bellingham! É ele! Gol!